Wednesday, 6 p.m., February 12th. Streets are clear. There's snow on the ground, but the streets are clear. Won't be the same soon. This is after the storm. That's our car. A lot of snow, I tell you. And on Sunday, this coming Sunday, we're going to get another 12 to 16 inches, 30 to 40 centimeters. Make another video. Start balcony. So it's now Sunday the 16th. Our car again under the snow. We got a new cover sheet for the windshield, which will help. Another 6 hours of this. More to come. Sunday, February 16th. Yuck. Look at the snow on our balcony. Can you believe that? Another 3 or 4 hours. It will take over a week for the city to clear all this. We have 10,000 kilometers or over 6,000 miles of streets to clear, and we remove all the snow from the street and sidewalks. 2 storms in Sunday night, February 16th. Snowstorm over. That's a car, ours. All-wheel drive. Kia EV6, very heavy, so it'll get out of the snow. No problem. Minimum shoveling.